the era of quick and easy, this Tesla model is your go-to device if you need a cordless, light, and bagless vacuum cleaner. It is the perfect cleaning tool for your home or office and a great addition to your cleaning appliances. Wondering what makes this device so great? First of all, it is an amazing solution for smaller apartments. Although it has a limited battery life, up to 32 minutes from one charge, for small homes, it's time enough and so much more convenient than using a regular vacuum cleaner. The LED indicator will warn you when the battery is running low or when it's fully charged. It will also display its power capacity. This device is also incredibly easy to handle and store, as it comes as one unit, which means you don't have to deal with a separate handle and hose, enjoying so much more freedom and movement while you're cleaning. This also means it is easy to store in a cupboard or under the bed. And this particular model can also be folded, taking up even less space. Lastly, you get to enjoy all the amazing accessories. This model includes an electric motorized power brush head, a 2-in-1 nozzle, and a blowing tool. The 2-in-1 nozzle can be very helpful in reaching corners, and you can use the blowing tool to dislodge hard-to-reach debris. It's the perfect hassle-free vacuuming solution.